Good morning students. How are you? Are you happy? I hope you all are happy, isn't it? Today we are going to revise the one words from third chapter, that is Algebra. It is the important and vast lesson. It will be helpful for higher classes. Okay students? So let us start the today's class. The question number 1. The graph of linear polynomial is a dash. Okay. So when we draw the graph of the linear equation, we get the straight line. What is meant by linear equation? An equation of degree 1. In 9th standard, we learned more question about this type. Okay, we have drawn more graph using linear equation. An equation of degree 1 is known as linear equation. So if we draw the graph of the linear equation, we get the straight line. Okay, that is the first question. Second question, the value of square root of 20 plus root of 20 plus root of 20 plus etc. How to do this question? Let us take this given question as x. Okay, so the first step will be x is equal to square root of 20 plus root of 20 plus root of 20 plus etc. The given term we have taken x. Okay, so let us to cancel this square root, first square root, let us square on both sides. Okay, when we squaring on both sides, we get this left side x become x square and right side this one given value square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20. We are squaring, so the whole square. Now this square and this square root can be cancelled. So remaining, let us write. What is the remaining? X square is equal to this square root we cancelled. So remaining 20 plus this square root plus this square root 20 plus etc. Okay, now x square equal to this 20 plus again this square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus x. Why? The square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20 etc. we have considered as x. So in place of this we can use x. Okay. Now let us orderly write x square. Bring this plus x and this constant term to this LHS. So it become x square minus x minus 20 equal to 0. Now it become the quadratic equation, isn't it? So can be factorized. So multiplication number is minus 20 and addition number is minus 1. So what are the factors we have? When we multiply, we should get minus 20. When we add, we should get minus 1. Guess the numbers. What are the numbers? Minus 5 and minus 5 and plus 4. When we multiply, we get minus 20. Add it minus 5 plus 4. What we get? Minus 1. Okay, so the suitable numbers are minus 5 and plus 4. So as a factor form, how can we write this one? Using these two values, x minus 5 into x plus 4 equal to 0. From here x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 4. Okay. Next, question number 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, which equation? There is a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta the whole square? Usually we know sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to formula is minus b by a. Usually here they asked what is the value of alpha plus beta the whole square. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta the whole square is this value we have to square. So minus b by a the whole square. When we square, minus into minus become plus. B by a the whole square can be written b square by a square. Okay, understood students? Next question number 4. The LCM of the least common multiple of x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3 and x square minus 9 into x plus 1 is. How to find out what is the answer given now? X plus 1 the whole square into x square minus 9. How is it? So two expressions are there. First one is x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3 and the second one is x square minus 9 into x plus 1. So how to do now? Let us split the first expression. We need to compare before that. Given two expression, is there any common factors are there? Here x plus 1 the whole square is there. So there is a common. So that as it is, write the first expression. Okay, x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 3 can be right as it is given. Okay, now come to the second expression. Here there is, it is in the form of x square minus 9 can be say the form of a square minus b square. For that it can be right x square minus 3 square. Okay, what is x square minus 3 square? X minus 3 into x plus 3 or x plus 3 into x minus 3. This first term. Second term as it is, right, x plus 1. Now need to compare among this both expression what are the common terms are there. So x minus 3 only one common term and x plus 1 the whole square here x plus 1. Among this both x plus 1 highest term we have to select. Okay, that is x plus 1 the whole square. Then one more extra term is there, x plus 3. That term also we have to write. Understood, students? So now again we can simplify. It is x plus 1 the whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So x plus 1 the whole square into x square minus 9. Okay, this one how is it? Did you understand? A plus b into a minus b expansion. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, so x minus 3 into x plus 3 can be right x square minus 3 square, that is x square minus 9. Okay, let us go to the next question. Question number 5. The solution set of x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2 is. Okay, what is the value of x? So how to find out? So let us take the LCM of the LHS. Okay, what is the LCM of this denominator? X is the LCM. Want to write it in the denominator. So numerator, how can we write? X into x, x square plus 1. Which is equal, what is the RH side? 5 by 2 as it is, need to write. Okay, then need to cross multiply x into x, x square plus 1 by LCM as it is, need to write. Is equal to 5 by 2. Now cross multiplication, 2 into x square plus 1 equal to 5 into x. 2 into x square plus 1 can be right. 2 into x square is 2x square plus 2 into 1 is 2, which is equal to 5 into x. Now this x term can bring this side, so it to become minus 5x. Okay, so it can be right 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now it become the quadratic equation, so can be factorized. So what is the multiplication number here? 2 into 2 is 4 and addition number is minus 5. So guess the number. What are the numbers? When we multiply we have to get 4, when we add we have to get minus 5. So can you guess the number? Minus 1 and minus 4. Multiply both number, 4 will get. Add both number, minus 5 will get. So what are the record numbers? Minus 1 and minus 4. But here there is in coefficient of x square, there is 2. So with that 2, both terms we have to divide. So divide by 2 here as well as divide by 2. As a factor from this one, how can we write? 2x minus 1. Here can be divided. So when we divide, after we get here minus 2. So as a factor from this one, how can we write? X minus 2. Understand, students? This one x minus 2. This time 2x minus 1. Okay, 2x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now x is equal to, from here 2x equal to 1, so x equal to 1 by 2. Here x is equal to 2. So what are the values? 2 comma 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 comma 2. Next question number 6. The solution of the system. Here 3 equations are given. x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 6, comma, minus 7y plus 7z equal to 7, comma, 3z equal to 9. Yes, see this third equation, that is simple equation. Easily can get the z value. How is it? 3z equal to 9. So what is the value of z here? Z equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. Is it? Put z equal to 3 in any one equation. Better you can use the second equation. So if you are applying z equal to 3 in the second equation, directly you will get the y value. So z value and y value is there. These two values you can apply in the first equation and get the x value. So what are the answer you will get now? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Okay. Next question number 7. If x minus 6 is the HCF of x square minus 2x minus 24 and x square minus kx minus 6, then the value of k. What is meant by HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. So HCF is given x minus 6 for this both equation. What is the value of k? So what to do now? HCF equal to x minus 6. First equation let us take it is p of x and the second equation let us take g of x. Okay. First equation consider and the factor is it multiplication number minus 24, addition number minus 2. What are the factors? Guess it. What are the numbers? When we multiply minus 24. So minus 6 and plus 4. Okay. Multiply we get minus 24, add it minus 2 will get. As a factor form it can write x minus 6 into x plus 4. Now from here x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 4. Take any one value and substitute here. Let us take the positive value. X equal to 6 in this g of x. Okay. To get the k value, g of x equal to 0 we have to take. That is in place of x we have 6. So g of 6 need to find out. G of 6 equal to 0. That is g of 6 is x square minus kx minus 6. So in place of x we are going to apply x equal to 6. So we get 6 square minus 6k minus 6. So to get k value, g of 6 equal to 0. So 6 square is equal to 36 minus 6k minus 6. So g of 6 equal to 0. So 36 minus 6 is 30 minus 6k equal to 0. To find the k value, bring this constant term to that side. So this 30 become minus 30. So we have minus 6k equal to minus 30. There is, since both sides there is a minus, so can we cancel that minus? Remaining we have 6k equal to 30. See, if 6k equal to 30, what is k value? K equal to 30 by 6. So when we cancel using 6 table, we get 5, 6 are 30. So k is equal to 5. Understood, students? Next question. Question number 8. The number of points of intersection of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4 with the x-axis is 1. How is it? How can we find out? Do you know? Listen here. What is the given equation? X square plus 4x plus 4. So need to factorize. Okay. So multiplication number 4, addition number also 4. So the numbers are 2, 2. As a factor form it can be write to x plus 2 into x plus 2. So x is equal to minus 2, minus 2. Both values are same. So point of intersection is 1. Understood? The value of a we have to find out. What is given? Square root of a into a minus 7 equal to 3 root 2. What are the answers? We have minus 2, 9. How need to bring the answers? Let us do. So to get a value, first of all need to change this square root. So to change the square root, what can we do? Squaring on both sides. So let us squaring on both sides. We get square root of a into a minus 7 the whole square equal to. So this side also need to square. So 3 into root 2 the whole square. Now when we square, we can cancel this square and the square root. This side also. So see the LHS side. So the square and square root cancelled. Remaining we have a into a minus 7 equal to, here when we are squaring 3 square, that is 9. Next root to the whole square. Here square and square root can be cancelled. So 9 into 2 is there. That is 18. Here a into a square, a into 7, 7a minus is there. So minus 7a. Bring this constant term to this side. We get a square minus 7a minus 18 equal to 0. Now it is the quadratic equation. So we have to factorize. So what are the record numbers? Guess the number. Multiplication number is minus 18. Addition number is minus 7. Guess the number. Minus 9 and 2. When we multiply minus 18, when we add minus 7. As a factor form, how can we write this one? A minus 9 into a plus 2. So from here a is equal to 9 or a is equal to minus 2. So the values are minus 2 comma 9. Understood, students? The next question is, when delta equal to 0, what is the nature of the roots? We know that nature of the roots are when there is delta equal to 0, when there is delta greater than 0, and when there is delta less than 0. We have three natures, is it? So first one is when delta equal to 0, what is the nature of the roots? What is the answer? Roots are real and equal. How will we find out this one? What is the delta value? B square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac value we have to find out. If the values are 0, nature of the roots we can say roots are real and equal. Next question. When delta is greater than 0. When delta is greater than 0, what is the nature of the roots? When delta is greater than 0, the nature of the roots are real and unequal. Okay, more than 0, above 0, positive value. So the roots are real and unequal. Here also delta value, delta equal to b square minus 4ac formula you have to use. Okay, b square minus 4ac value you have to find out. If the values are greater than 0, we can say roots are real and unequal. Now question number 12. When delta is less than 0, less than 0 means negative value. What is the nature of the roots? So if the value is negative, we can say no real roots. Okay. Question number 13. If the constant term of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is 0, then the sum and product of the zeros are dash and dash. What is the constant term of this equation? This one. Okay, see. This is the constant term. If this term is 0, what is the roots? So, we know sum of the roots formula alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta formula? Minus b by a. Product of the roots is c by a. Is it? So, sum of the roots we can write first answer minus b by a. So, what is the second answer? Alpha into beta is c by a is the formula. C means what? Constant term. Here what is given? Constant term is 0. So that 0 by a. In place of c by a, we have to use 0 by a. What is 0 by a? 0. Okay. So what is the second answer? 0. Okay, understood? Now come to the next question. A rational expression p of x by q of x is said to be in its lowest form if GCD of p of x comma q of x equal to dash. If the GCD is 1, it can be say lowest form. Okay, GCD of p of x comma q of x is 1, we can say p of x by q of x is the lowest form. The next question. A value that makes a rational expression undefined is called an dash, excluded value. Okay, a value that makes a rational expression undefined is called an excluded value. What is meant by this? No, the denominator term is 0, then the given expression become undefined. Okay, then we can say that that is excluded value. Come to the next question. What is the next question? No, the number of excluded values of x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8 by x power 4 plus 8x square minus 9. To find the excluded value, first of all we have to see only the denominator. Okay, denominator term we have to bring it 0. Okay, then the whole term become undefined. In denominator value is 0 means any number row is undefined. Okay, if the expression become undefined, that we can say excluded value. So the number of excluded value they asked. Okay, there is only one excluded value. We have to use only the denominator term. Denominator term we have to make it 0. If the denominator is 0, the whole expression become undefined. Then we can say that is the excluded value. Only denominator term we have to select it and find the 0. So what number if you are using, we get the 0. There is only one value, that is minus 1. In place of x, if you are applying minus 1, we get 0. Denominator term becomes 0. Okay, there is only one value, that is x equal to minus 1. That is the answer. And come to the next question. What is the question number 17? The graph of the given equation does not intersect the x-axis at any point, then the given equation has dash, no real root. Did you understand this? By this example you can understand. So let us consider this graph. It is y-axis, it is x-axis. Let's imagine this is the graph. Okay, this graph, this is parabola is does not, it is x-axis, it is y, does not intersect this x-axis. So the solution is no real root. Did you understand? If the graph intersect the x-axis means how the graph? Likewise, is it? Or else likewise. Okay, it is touching here. In this graph is intersecting at here as well as here. Okay, first graph is does not intersect the x-axis, so there is no real root. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 18. What is the question number 18? The father of each question. The father of algebra. The father of algebra is dash. What is the father of algebra? Algorithm. Okay. The spelling Alkhwari is M-I. Okay. Algorithm. The father of algebra. Algorithm is known as father of algebra. Okay. Learn this. Okay. So these are the today's class. We can meet in the next class. Okay. Thank you.